was that about? Okay. A little fact for anyone watching. In the UK, it's perfectly legal for Sikhs to ride without a helmet as long as they've got the turban on. There's a remnant of the old British Empire right there. It's pretty funny. I mean, if you're a Sikh, what do you do? Do you find a helmet that looks like a turban, or do you guys literally just like I don't know, what's the priority? Like, if you're a safety conscious Sikh, what do you do? Because to me it seems like if you've got your turban on and you're a safety conscious Sikh who's also very religious, what are you supposed to do? Tell me in the comments. Place to run, dude. Wheel alignment's all out of shape. Look, he's going sideways while going forwards. The fuck? That's the most insane crabbing I've seen in a car on the road. Look at it. Look at the way it goes around corners. That's so insane. I've never seen crabbing that bad before. His car's fucked. I thought you were gonna go. Yo, that car is messed, man. Fuck you. Okay. I'm really not sure what that was about. Maybe she's celebrating that quarantine's over? Don't know. The fuck was that? We were just yeeting shit out their cars. Dude, this is like driving in fucking India, mate. No one's got any road discipline, no nothing. Beamer versus Beamer. Beamer versus Beamer. Guy behind me, what the fuck, man? You don't just tell people like that. Especially a fellow motorcyclist. Bro, what is he doing? I don't trust the moped behind me, man. Dude, he's right in my fucking tail. Seen bare Sikhs going out with no helmets. Okay, well now you're finally past me. Everyone's out with their nice cars, nice bikes. It's about time, innit? Been absolutely shit only seeing Uber drivers and that. Dude, nah man, that's too close to him. That's way too fucking close. Why are you doing that? What fuck? You're sketchy as fuck is what you are, man. Why are you riding like that? What the fuck? Guy was riding wide open for business. Whoa! Fucking hell! Yeah, that one woke me up. Alright. Fuck it, man. 3-point turn in the middle of the road. And now you change your mind. What are you doing, bruv? Fucking arsehole, man. This is gonna be hell. Come on, man, you can squeeze through that. You can easily squeeze through that, bro. You got more steering lock than I do. Go on. Oh, come on. There's an easy way to do this, bro. Right, well. So eager to just wait